So, I believe your name is Allie. You told us to do a voice change.
Yeah,
to do a voice change. So, we're going to get that right into it. But before, like, we want to, at the end, we want you guys to subscribe. And Allie, please subscribe and like and comment down below
on some more challenges. But we ain't got Being Boys or nothing yet. So, y'all just going to have to wait till we post a video. So it's coming soon because my sister is 16 years old. I'll show you guys her. That's her. So, and she's gonna drive us to the store and pay us some Being Boy Zoots.
And we're gonna get our outfits for tomorrow.
Yeah. Cause we got a big show, and she's our captain, Captain K, Coach K,
and I'm the co-captain. So, let's go.
Alright, wait. So we're back. Now we gotta do the funny voices. Go first.
Hey, I am young and I am a pretty girl.
Hi, guys. Oh my gosh. I am so glad to see you guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, my name is Kennedy, and I would like to be your best friend forever.
Yeah.
So, alright, now let's talk to Suki. Okay, so bye, guys. We're about to rehearse for our cheering